Your hair isn't frizzy, it's misunderstood. You don't need heat, you need hair physics. Most of what we've been told about managing texture, frizz, and flyaways has revolved around straighteners, chemical treatments, or tight protective styles. But what if I told you there's a quieter, smarter way? A method that works with your hair, not against it, and doesn't involve heat at all. Let's talk about how to get smooth, healthy, frizz-free hair without heat, chemicals, or old-school braiding. Just you, your hair, and a better understanding of how it actually works. Forget flat irons. This is smarter, frizzy hair, puffy roots, dry ends. Most people reach for the same thing, heat tools, but that's not fixing the problem. It's hiding it. When you straighten your hair with heat, you're forcing the cuticle to lay flat by damaging it. It's like ironing a wrinkled shirt, but over time, the fabric starts to burn. Under a microscope, you can literally see what heat does. It lifts the outer layer of your strands, dries out the core, and creates split ends over time. So while it may look smooth at the moment, the more you use heat, the harder it becomes to maintain shine and softness. Instead, there's a different approach, a way to smooth your hair without any heat. One based on pressure, oil movement, moisture, and a little bit of patience. And the results? Way better for long-term health, and yes, it still looks amazing. The Crown Oil Shift Technique. This is step 1, and it's completely free. Your scalp already produces the most effective smoothing serum, natural oils, but they tend to stay at the roots unless you move them. Use a wooden or boar bristle brush and slowly brush from your crown to the ends. This isn't a fast process, it's a daily ritual. Over time, it helps coat your strands with natural shine, reduces frizz, and prevents breakage without loading your hair with heavy products. Top it off with a silk bonnet before bed to lock in the benefits. Your ends will thank you. Water seal. Wrapping. No braids needed. No need to braid your hair into a million tight sections like it's 2012. There's a gentler, smarter option. Water seal wrapping. After lightly dampening your hair, never soaking wet, wrap it gently in a spiral around your head using a silk or bamboo wrap. This technique uses moisture and light fabric pressure to train your strands to lie flat. It doesn't stretch the curl. It simply compresses the cuticle into a smoother shape as your hair dries naturally. Sleep in this wrap and wake up to softness you didn't know was possible, all without a single pass of heat. Microsection. Detangling with anti-tension oils. One of the biggest causes of frizz is uneven detangling. Most people treat their hair like it's one thick rope, but your ends and roots, they're totally different. They need separate attention. Take a few drops of featherlight oils, argan, camellia, or rosehip, and detangle in microsections. Use your fingers, not a brush, and focus especially on the midshaft where breakage starts. This step prevents friction, nourishes the strand, and helps the cuticle stay sealed from root to tip. The no-friction hair flip. This is a sleep hack, and yes, it matters. If you're waking up frizzy, the problem isn't your products, it's your pillowcase. Try a soft silk or bamboo case, then flip your hair gently up and over your pillow before bed, like a hammock. You want zero folds, zero creases, and minimal pressure. Think of it as suspending your hair while you sleep. In the morning, you'll see less frizz, fewer tangles, and your texture will stay more defined, all from changing how you sleep. Cool mist compression. This trick is magic. It's the final step, the one that gives your hair that glassy, light reflective finish without touching a blow dryer. After washing and conditioning, give your hair a blast of cool mist, either from a humidifier, cool setting on your shower, or misting spray. Then gently plop your hair using a microfiber towel or old cotton t-shirt. The key here is compression, not tension. Press, don't rub, and let it sit until damp. This seals the cuticle layer shut using nothing but air, water, and pressure. No heat, no damage, just shine. Smooth hair comes from understanding, not control. The biggest myth in hair care? That smoothness only comes from heat or chemicals. In reality, your hair wants to behave. You just need to understand it. Each of these methods works with your hair's natural structure. No friction, no frying, no force. Just patience, technique, and a little bit of strategy. If this video helped you rethink your hair routine or saved you from reaching for that flat iron again, hit the like button to support more videos like this. And if you want smarter beauty without the hype, subscribe and turn on notifications. New methods, honest advice, no heat, no damage, no drama.